Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ConvertKit for affiliate email automation, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the ConvertKit website using your preferred web browser. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password for your account. Once completed, click on Create Account or a similar option. Check your email inbox for a verification email from ConvertKit. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Sign into your newly created ConvertKit account using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the ConvertKit dashboard. To start setting up affiliate email automation, locate the Automations tab in the sidebar menu. Click on the Automations tab to open the automation settings. Select actions that should occur once the trigger is activated, like sending a welcome email. Customize your email content to match your affiliate marketing goals. Make sure to include relevant links to your affiliate offers in the email. Preview your email before saving to ensure it looks professional. Once satisfied, click Save to create your automation. You can further edit or adjust your automation settings as needed. Monitor your dashboard to ensure the automation works as intended. That concludes the process for setting up affiliate email automation with ConvertKit. Explore additional features to enhance your email marketing strategy. With each email sent, track engagement and make necessary adjustments for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.